Hey guys, Cody with CJC Off-Road, and we want to shoot a quick video basically to show you how to not have your wheel fall off your truck. Now if you've ordered wheels and tires off the internet or went to a local tire shop, etc., and end up mounting them yourself, you want to make sure you remove these rotor retaining clips. Now these are on here from the factory to obviously hold the rotor on, and your factory wheels actually have little machine marks in the factory wheel that allow the wheel to still sit flat on the hub, but maintain these clips. But when you go to aftermarket wheel, they are completely flat, and therefore when you just have a couple of these clips on a couple of studs, your wheel won't sit flat against your rotor and it's going to cause it to wobble. So A, you're going to get a vibration, but B, eventually these wheel studs will break. It's actually super common. It's been mentioned on the forums and whatnot before, but we figured to make a quick video to show you how to do it. Now I just have a basic pick here and some side cutters. Something super simple. You can use shears. We've even seen guys use just a cold chisel and a hammer really quick. These things are super soft, really easy to get off. So you'll simply just grab the clip with the pick, pull it out, and give yourself just enough room to get the side cutters in there. And once you do that, you snip them all off and you're good to mount your aftermarket wheels.